Hi, I'm Nima Omri. I live in Karaj, Iran, and this is my final project for CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. This is a memory simulator where you can create a memory of a custom size. Let's go with 64 bytes. As you can see, this is an environment just like a lecture 4 presentation, where you can define variables of custom data types. I'm going to select this position on the memory and going to create a boolean value called my boolean. Let's select true as value and store that. Let's create a string variable called message, and this is CS50, or a char variable. Let's check out integers, my int, and store 50, or a double value. I'm going to store a negative number. As you can see, this number converted to binary forms. If you are curious about how this conversion implemented, check out the links on the description. Now, what happens if I try to save an integer which exceeds the integer data type range? Let's store 3 billion here. If I try to do that, it doesn't allow me because it exceeds the integer range. But if I select the long data type and try to store that same exact number, now it is stored that successfully. The next thing is pointers. I can create a pointer variable and point to the current defined variables. I'm going to select the number that we just created here, and I'm going to store that pointer here. As you can see, this is the address of the first byte of that variable. You just point to that position. Now, I can delete any of these variables. I deleted that double we just created. Now I can store another variable in the position of these garbage values. I'm going to store a float number in that position. Let's store 1075 here. And as you can see, those garbage values now are gone, and the new variable is stored in that position. If I try to create another string variable, which is very long message, clearly I don't have enough bytes left in this memory to store this long string. And if I hit that button, I get a Stack Overflow error.